One.
All right, it's going?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is Nhemamusasa on the guitar, the kushaura, which is like the main leading part. So your fingering, you're gonna go middle finger, thumb, index, thumb. So it's just alternating like that. And think of it like an mbira, right? So first phrase, C to that E minor, but we still have that C note in there, to A minor with that B note. So again. Next phrase starts the same, to the F, to A minor, to the D minor, but you're only playing the B, G, and D strings. Then just like the second phrase, F, A minor. Fourth phrase, back to the C, back to that E minor with that C note, and now to a G, and on the G, you just play open. So the whole thing slowly. So then the beat, right? The first two notes are a pickup, and it's in a triplet. So the count is 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. It's hard for me to count it and play it, so I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna stop on the 1.
Okay. Found a really good way for people to learn that triplet feel is listening for this melody. Da 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 da. Just to show you really quickly, since it's just you, it's the same thing for that melody on the mbira. Listen for that. Train. Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool.
Should I cut this?
Yep.